Welcome back to another recipe, another healthy longevity recipe. Today's recipe is summer on a plate. It is peach and burrata salad. Super quick, super easy, and super delicious. I'm Dr. Joanette, and I've been an ER doctor now for over 30 years. During that time in the ER, I have seen what happens when we eat a diet high in ultra-processed food and how it impacts our longevity and our overall health. That has given me a passion for creating recipes that are healthy, primarily whole food. The recipes that I try to create actually look like the food that grew in a field, came from a farm, or grew on a tree. So let's get cooking and create today's super delicious peach and burrata salad. To get started, I have added about 3 cups of organic arugula to a plate. This recipe could be for 1 or for 2, depending upon how hungry you are. And to that, we are going to add some organic fresh peaches. This summer is the peach season. Peaches are full of antioxidants, and antioxidants, as you know, are those substances that are so important for helping us prevent chronic disease, fight inflammation, and keep our body and mind healthy. To those peaches, I'm also adding some blueberries. Blueberries are also high in antioxidants, but they have an additional extra antioxidant called flavonoids. I think I really only want 1 peach on this salad. In fact, I might not even need 1 whole peach. If you're trying to keep it low carb, you probably could go with half a peach, but we're gonna do the 1 peach. I've been hearing from some of my subscribers that you were somehow unsubscribed. Would you take a moment and please check to see that if you've subscribed, you are still subscribed. And if somehow you were unsubscribed, thank you for resubscribing and supporting this channel. Every one of your subscriptions is important to me and helps me grow the channel and bring this content to more people. So thank you. And to that, I'm going to sprinkle a few blueberries. I call these brain berries because they're so great for our brain. Those flavonoids help our brain stay healthy and our cognitive function keep functioning throughout our life. Now, to that, we need to add a little bit of protein. Our protein is a couple of things. One, actually, we're going to do some burrata first. If you're not familiar with burrata, it's basically mozzarella cheese with an amazing kind of almost liquidy, melty center to it. You can pick it up at most delis or even in the just kind of deli section of most grocery stores. It is really soft, and what you want to do is you just kind of want to tear it open and nestle pieces of it. You can see the soft cheese kind of coming out there in among the peaches and blueberries. So good. Extra calcium, some extra protein, extra yum, and you're going to only need about 1 of these. The center kind of reminds me a little bit of cottage cheese. It's kind of got that real soft consistency. And I think we're pretty good with our burrata, but I don't want it to go to waste, so we're going to just load up this plate with it. That looks amazing. Last piece right there. Up next is some more protein. And this is prosciutto. If you can find nitrate-free prosciutto, try to find it, get the nitrate-free prosciutto, and you're going to tear up a few pieces of that and just kind of add it to your salad for extra protein. Protein is really important as we get older. We used to think that we needed less protein. We actually need more protein as we age. Gonna go for 1 more piece here. I love the combination of prosciutto and burrata. Take some of that extra fat off. Just kind of nestle that all in amongst the burrata, around the peaches. Look how nice this is coming together. This is such a pretty, one of the reasons I love this salad, because it is actually a really pretty salad and it's so good for you. And we're getting close to finishing up here. We're gonna sprinkle a little olive oil, extra virgin. Always use that extra virgin olive oil. It's the best for you. Just kind of give it a little sprinkle over it. And here's one of my favorite tricks. Get yourself some great balsamic. It's kind of like, this is actually 25-year barrel-aged balsamic vinegar. It tastes like balsamic glaze, but it's balsamic vinegar, just aged really long. And I just give that salad a nice little drizzle of the, look at that. And now we're gonna just tear up a little bit of basil here and there. Pretty fine. I like to tear it up and kind of sprinkle it over it. See why I said it's summer in a bowl or summer on a plate? All of these are summer flavors. Your basil, your peaches, your blueberries, your arugula. And by the way, make sure you, if possible, can get all organic. I think we got a lot of basil going on here now. And the last thing we're gonna add is some toasted pecans to this creation. Just sprinkle a few around and we have ourselves an amazing summer on a plate. I am so excited to give this salad a try, and let's taste it. One of my favorites. It's a little hard to sometimes get all the parts of it, but would actually work better if you had one of those like kind of salad tong, you know, the pincher things. I need everything. I need some peaches. I need some blueberries, the burrata, the prosciutto. Oh my, can't wait. This is gonna be a big bite. I'm gonna cut that peach in half. Here we go. Delish. This says summer on a plate. Thank you so much for joining me today. Scroll down to the links below for the recipe, or go to outtogrowwithdrjoanette.com where you can find that full recipe. And thank you also for subscribing and liking this video. Share it with someone who could use a delicious, quick and easy summer recipe. That's good for you. And we'll see you next time on the Dr. Joanette channel. This video is for educational purposes only. While I am a doctor, I'm not your doctor. So before you make any changes to your diet, start any exercises, or add any supplements to your regime, make sure you discuss the information that you've seen and heard here with your doctor.